hello everyone. Next question is question number 16 from phase 1, documenting date of selection. Moving to the question, 300 ml of 0.1 molar HCl and 200 ml of 0.3 molar H₂SO₄ are mixed. The normality of the resulting mixture is. So this is a very easy or mixing concept, we can say. So in this types of cases, we have to use simple things. We have to add the number of moles of first solution and the second solution, and we have to divide it by the total amount of volume. So in these cases, the easy cases, and if I tell you the direct formula is also there, key for normality of resulting solution is equal to N1 V1 plus N2 V2 divided by V1 plus V2. And this is not actually formula. This is what I have told. You have to add initially number of moles. As we know, normality into volume is number of equivalents. So we have to initially add the number of equivalents divided by total volume will give you the normality of the resultant solution. So now we can do N1 V1 molarity of HCl solution is 0.1 molar. And as we know, frequency factor of HCl is 1 only. But what is frequency factor? I define that also here. Frequency factor. So in case of acids, number of H plus ions released. In case of bases, number of OH minus ion released. Or in case of salts, total charge on cations and or total charge on anions. Okay. So here we have acids, both are acids. So number of H plus ion HCl is 1. So frequency vector is 1. So molarity, and one more thing we know, normality equals to molarity into frequency factor. Normality equals to molarity into frequency factor. So we can go through this, normality, molarity, frequency factor. Yes. So we have molarity of HCl is 0.1. So normality also will be 0.1 as frequency factor is 1. So 0.1 into volume of HCl taken is 200 or 300 ml. 300 plus normality of second solution is, as we know, molarity is normality is equal to molarity is second solution 0.3, and H₂SO₄ release how many hydrogens? H release how many hydrogens? 2 hydrogen solutions. So frequency vector will be 2.6 will be the normality. Multiply by volume of solution is 200 ml. 200 ml divided by total volume is 200 by 300 will be 500 ml. And this will be the normality of the resulting solution. If we'll solve this, it will be 30 plus 1 to 0, 6, 12, 1 to 0 and 1 point. So 120 divided by 500. So we can say 150 divided by 500 or 1.5 divided by 5 or 0.3 normal solution will be the answer. 0.3 normal solution. If I take 0.4, 0.1, 0.3, so C will be the correct option for this question. Thank you.